Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of video editing. Whether you're a budding creator or just curious about the process, understanding video editing can open up a whole new realm of possibilities for storytelling and expression. So, what exactly is video editing? At its core, video editing is the process of manipulating and rearranging video footage to create a new work. It's where the magic happens, transforming raw clips into a polished final product that captivates audiences. Think of it as sculpting. You start with a block of stone, and through careful chiseling, you reveal a beautiful statue. Video editing involves several key elements. First, there's cutting and trimming, which allows you to remove unnecessary parts of your footage, ensuring that every second counts. Then, you can add transitions to create smooth shifts between scenes, enhancing the flow of your story. Color correction is another vital aspect, helping to set the mood and tone of your video, making it visually appealing. Sound design plays a crucial role too. Adding music, sound effects, and voiceovers can elevate your video, making it more engaging and immersive. With the right tools and techniques, you can evoke emotions, whether it's joy, suspense, or nostalgia. In today's digital age, video editing software is more accessible than ever, with options ranging from beginner-friendly apps to professional-grade programs. This means anyone can start creating, sharing their unique stories, and connecting with others. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of video editing. We hope you feel inspired to dive into this creative journey. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing for more insights and tips. Happy editing!